What's up guys, Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Today I'm out here with my FPV Cycle Glide Ultimate build. I don't know, it's a little windy. I'm gonna try to get you some smooth packs in tonight and we'll see how it goes.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you